to show you how to download your contacts for Facebook and Instagram to make it really easy for you. So first, what you do is when you log into Facebook, you are going to click on your profile picture, go to Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. And under there, click on Privacy and then go to Your Facebook Information. And under Facebook Information, you are going to go to this one here that says Download Profile Information. When you click on View, it's going to ask you if you want to request a download. So you can click on Request a download. You get to select which profiles you want to download. And so you can do Facebook and Instagram at the same time. And so it asks you if you want a complete copy of all your information or you want to select types of information. You want to go to select types of information because we're not downloading everything. We just want the contacts in this case. So you can scroll down and you can scroll down and see all of the different ways and things that you can download. Personal information, connections. So we are just going to do friends and followers. And when we click next, the next one is Instagram. It asks us which information we want there. So we're just going to do contacts on Instagram. And then click on next. And then you can select a date range. So if you want just in the last year, the last 3 years, I'm just going to do all times for the fun of it so we can get everybody. Save that information. You can say what type of file. I'm going to leave this as HTML. There is another option there. And of course we want, this is mainly for video and images. So it's not going to matter so much because this is just going to be a document, but you can leave that as medium quality and then submit the request. And that is how you download the information.